Hey there guys, Cassie here. Welcome to Fast Affiliate Funnels. Really quickly in this video, what we're going to do is just introduce you to Fast Affiliate Funnels and tell you a little bit about what to expect and really show you why Fast Affiliate Funnels can help you make more money with affiliate marketing faster. So first things first, if you're watching this video somewhere other than Fast Affiliate Funnels dashboard, say YouTube for instance, the first thing you're going to want to do is look below this video in the description. There, you're going to find a link to Fast Affiliate Funnels. Come on over and create your free account. Once again, Fast Affiliate Funnels is 100% free, so now's as good a time as any to join. So what is Fast Affiliate Funnels? Well, it's affiliate marketing funnels. If you're not familiar, funnels are simply websites that are designed to take leads and turn them into money. Now, the ways I've been doing affiliate marketing for the past few years is by creating funnels or lead magnets that act as conversion systems. Let me paint a quick picture here. That way you understand exactly what you're getting when you join Fast Affiliate Funnels for free. So once you're inside the dashboard of Fast Affiliate Funnels, you're going to see links to individual funnels. Now, individual funnels are set up to earn commissions with various affiliate marketing programs. Now, what you'll find here is that most of these programs are in the digital marketing, online business, and make money online niche. That's quite simply because it's the most lucrative niche available, in my opinion. So these lead magnets can be imported into your ClickFunnels account with one click. And that's the beauty of it, guys. That's where the done-for-you system comes into play. Because in order to be a successful affiliate marketer, you can't simply spam your links all over the internet. You need traffic, you need an offer, and you need a conversion system. Well, the offer is the easy part, guys, because this is affiliate marketing. Just partner with somebody and you're good to go. Traffic's easy. You can use advertising, you can use YouTube, you can use Facebook groups, you can use Instagram if you want. There's no shortage of opportunities for traffic. Where most people struggle, and the reason why most affiliate marketers fail, while few succeed, is the conversion system. That's what Fast Affiliate Funnels is, and that's the difference maker, guys. You see, what happens here is that I create courses that teach people how to make money online. Then I give these courses away for free. That does two things for me. First, it helps me build my brand, my audience, and my email list, which is extremely valuable, as you probably already know. But the other thing that it does is these courses, these freebies, these lead magnets on steroids, if you will, what they do is they educate and they empower people to make a positive change in their life. All they have to do is purchase the affiliate product that I'm promoting. It's very simple, it's very straightforward, it's very effective. Let me give you an example really quickly, and then we'll turn you loose on creating your first fast affiliate funnel. So say for instance, I'm going to teach you how to do affiliate marketing. Well, one thing that you'll need if you're doing affiliate marketing is a website. So I show you how to create your website on WordPress using Bluehost. That is the course that I give away for free, a free affiliate marketing course. Well, as luck would have it, when leads sign up for Bluehost and click on my affiliate link, I'm going to earn a $65 commission. So as you can see here, I'm offering something of great value to people for free. I'm educating and empowering them to make the change by creating the website and showing them how it's done. But also, I'm keeping my affiliate link right in front of them. That way, when they're ready to take action, it's right there, and that's how I earn the commission. Now, I do this with all kinds of programs, and what you're going to see in Fast Affiliate Funnels is the opportunity to white label or private label these courses. And what I mean by that is that I've created these courses without my face, without my brand, without any mention of me, and in some cases, with somebody else's voice. They're 100% white labeled, so you can import them into your account and pass them off as your own. The only thing you need is a ClickFunnels account, which allows you to one-click install these into your back office. If you don't have ClickFunnels, don't worry. Once you get inside and create your free Fast Affiliate Funnels account, you're going to see a 14-day free trial for ClickFunnels to get you started. Then, once this is imported, all of the training videos are going to come along with it. So you're going to get your lead capture page, which is your home page. It's going to have the email capture pop-up already created, and the course dashboard, which has the buttons for the appropriate affiliate links. From there, you simply swap out your affiliate links for my affiliate links, and you're ready to go and ready to start driving traffic to your new done-for-you conversion system. But it gets better. Inside Fast Affiliate Funnels, I also give you pre-written email follow-up sequences. Now, the email follow-up sequences are what increase your conversions dramatically. And what this means is you can earn more money with the same amount of traffic All of these email follow-up sequences are pre-written for you. Simply copy and paste them into your favorite autoresponder, and then just like that, you've got a fully built, done-for-you affiliate marketing conversion system. Just don't forget to put your affiliate links in where mine are, because while I'll gladly take the money, I want you to make some as well. So if you're already a member of Fast Affiliate Funnels, simply click over to the next video and I'll show you how to get started with these simple, easy to install, done-for-you affiliate marketing funnels. Say that 10 times fast. And once again, if you're watching this video somewhere other than Fast Affiliate Funnels dashboard, please click on the link that's in the description of this video to come over and create your free account. Take advantage of my conversion systems and model my multiple streams of income by copying the exact conversion systems that I'm using.